Not me all the time.
Well, you know you usually do.
June, do you know you don't go to the bathroom that much? June, in Challenger School, we just went right now, Allie. Allie doesn't go to the
Look,
bathroom.
the train stopped running.
What? Oh no. Sad,
Look at the
sad.
fence. They blow off the fence right
What the? No wonder it's just all power.
I got cut
here.
off.
This tree fell
Then it
off
went
the roof.
rolled it down.
The whole tree fell off. No electrical power here.
What the heck?
Oh, Young is free. Your windows.
Oh my god, look at this.
What?
This car is underneath it. It's worse.
There's so much branches.
Look at all the tree branches
Oh, look,
that
people
fell
are
off
out
everywhere.
here taking videos. Hey,
That's
why aren't you
crazy.
worrying about it? Post it.
Wow.
People are just like, what the?
Look, the tree fell
The
off
baby
everywhere.
tree fell down. A flag fell down. What the?
Oh my god, the whole road.
Oh, look at the car.
Look at the big tree in front of us. They're blocking the whole
What?
road.
Look. No, Gia. The whole car shape fell down. Look.
Mm.
Look.
Look, someone's car got impulsed on the back.
Yeah, they can't get out anymore. Oh my god, look at the road. That's crazy.
No, look at the back of the truck.
I know. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Look at we can't drive anymore. We have to go around it.
Daddy,
People are trying to clean it off by
Daddy, the
themselves.
tree.
This is dangerous.
The tree pulled out the grass.
Yep.
That is crazy.
Oh my lord.
I'm not
You
even
came
wrong over here.
This
What the
tree.
man?
Tear the trees out. And look at the tree over here too. It's split in half.
What?
Oh my god, look at the big tree in front, Tina.
Oh!
How can you go through it?
How
You can't
do
go
you-
through it. Oh
I hope the
lord.
wind doesn't continue.
It blocks the whole road.
Next will be our trees. Oh no.
How do you go through? No way. Look at that.
Over there.
Holy.
You broke the
Uh,
concrete.
I know. It's funny.
I see.
No, Daddy, look, it broke out the moss.
You can't go through this anymore.
It's all blocked. I think we.
Oh boy. You can't go through no how to. The car got crushed by the tree.
You dogs out there are look.
We can't. We
I
can't go
want to.
around it.
The fence
The
broke.
truck got crushed in the back.
Can we
Can't
go?
even move.
Can we park somewhere?
Huh?
Can we park somewhere? Humans.
Look at the tree. It's broken half. It fell off right here.
No.
Holy shit, my lord.
Where's Anna Benoit's house? Oh, well, so unlucky. That one's going to fall off right now.
Roof pieces are everywhere.
Holy cow.
Look at the trash cans.
Oh my god, the roof fell out right here, Tia. Look at the roof. The giant roof fell out.
Where?
He's trying to
There.
clean this up right now.
It's a maze. Another roof fell off.
This is insane. How are we gonna go through again? Let's try one more time.
Just walk through.
We might get stuck here forever.
I see a bucket.
We got through this.
I hope that tree right there doesn't fall so we can block it.
What a nasty wind heaven.
So many. How's that possible?
It's blocking the whole row again.
How's that possible?
This is the only way we can go.
You see the power of the nature here? The wind power is crazy. The roost is the giant roost. This is em nội house right here.
Where?
Em nội house road. Oh, nasty. Oh, this just fell on the house. It fell on the house.
How do you know?
Both trees.
Well, it would be a cool entrance.
Oh, we can't get to my house. Block the whole row.
Why can't we just walk there? Right there, through to there.
I know, right?
Okay, I know.
Holy shoot.
Okay,
They're using
let's do
an
it again.
axe.
No, I'm not gonna do it. Please
Hopefully it
don't.
won't fall on us, right?
Oh, it feels so bumpy.
Where's that Illinois house?
We have another house coming up.
Move, Daddy.
I don't think we can get in the garage.
I think the tree that fell on that fell on the house. I think the people are sad.
Oh! Wait, how did the wind blow over the trees but not the cars? That's weird.
Yeah, because trees are always stronger than
We
cars.
can't get to my house block.
Why can't we just walk there? Why don't
Look at the car. It's gonna crash. Crash.
We're lucky. We're
No, don't go. Hurry up. Get over it quick. Gina, quick.
Oh, there's glass. There's glass. There's
Quick.
glass.
Go quick.
Glass.
I know. Be careful.
The
Holy
window
crap.
fell. Hey, look at the sidewalk.
Yes, it's.
It bent some, eh? Oh, that's possible.
Yeah, don't get close to it.
Where is that? Oh, we're close. It's like we're going the wrong way.
Where's some knob in our house?
No, Daddy, it's like we're going the wrong way.
I think we passed some knob in our house.
Yeah. Roof, that, roof, that, roof, that. Oh, that's the way from this morning. Daddy!
Yeah. Be careful. Get down.
Oh, I broke it. Yeah.
Holy crap.
Trường đóng phải không?
Dạ, trường tụi nó còn trong trường á, nhưng mà nó nói điện bị cúp rồi cho nên nó đợi chút nữa nạp điện mà không lên được á thì nó phải cho về hết.
That's solid.
Yep.